Hi, thank you. Thank you for that report, Steve Kirkley, and thank you, Barbara Lopez, for all your work. You really signed on at a time when you're gonna be in big demand. So thank you so much, and Meredith Neal for all your work on business development. Thank you. So I just have a request of my fellow council members. First of all, in this COVID-19 crisis, we all do need to stay safe. And it's been kind of heartwarming to hear some of the stories, you know, Tacoma RV donating RVs so that Central Pierce folks can, so that first responders can have a place to stay as they quarantine. You know, I saw today dog boarding for free for first responders. I mean, just the kinds of things. Mattress places being converted to make masks. Just great things, and it's been inspiring to see. But the reality is that we, as a city, because we've been blessed with such great sales tax revenues, nearly half of our general fund comes from sales tax revenue, and that's not normal for a city of our size. Usually it's property tax that's the bulk of it. So 47% of the general fund revenues come from sales tax. 30% of those funds come from the car dealers selling cars. And so that's a big business in Puyallup. So as we definitely do need to stay safe and well, and we need to social distance and keep up the good work. But government response is not always what we need. What we need to do is unleash the power of the free market with safety concerns in mind. So I would like to ask that we consider as a council asking Governor Inslee to allow our car dealers to sell. Currently, the Governor Inslee's rules only allow them to sell to first responders, those who have totaled their car, and folks whose leases are up. And so it'd be great if we could do a more Oregon-style rule about that, where we made sure that social distancing was happening, but we allowed our car dealers to begin to sell cars online and deliver them, like even some other folks in the state are doing. But when you read the rules, it's not allowed. So that's kind of interesting. So I would love to advocate with Governor Inslee for allowing our car dealers to begin sales again. And I would also like to take that a little further and advocate that we allow, if people can work safely in their business, that they are allowed, for instance, the home building, new home building. You know, it's ridiculous that government home building is being allowed and, you know, our new home builders are not allowed to continue to work on their construction projects. They're just getting rained on and you know, bad things will happen. So it'd be great if we as a council could send a letter advocating for safely allowing businesses who can demonstrate that they're able to do it safely to begin to work again within guidelines. So that's what I would like to advocate for. And thank you.